Hi, I am Zoka, your AI coach. Are you ready to challenge yourself and build the future with AI? In just 10 days, you can learn, create, and launch a real AI-powered application. Join the EduHackAI Hackathon and ignite your imagination with the most powerful Microsoft tools. Early registration is now open, and you can unlock up to 50% discount. Compete, network, and innovate in a futuristic setting designed for creators like you. Your journey comes with exclusive access to Microsoft 365 for an entire year. Don't miss the adrenaline of innovation. Register now and be part of the future. Organized by Sahaba Club, we don't teach tech, we coach it. For registration and more details, visit hackathon.sahabaclub.com.
Assalamu alaikum wa masā al-khair alaikum. Hello everyone, good night. I hope you got missed me since we had the podcast in Ramadan, and tonight we have a special live session about our hackathon EduHackAI. I'm so happy tonight to reach the level of launching EduHackAI with all the facilities and capabilities we had built in the last couple of 3 weeks. Yeah, within 3 weeks we built the whole thing of EduHackAI, starting from the landing page, the website, and we build the ecosystem of the learning, which have the content and the education materials, and also we build a mobile application for submission and everything. So we will get into more details. This session, I'm looking for interactive session. So if you have questions, right now we are live on Facebook and LinkedIn and YouTube. If you have any questions, you can ask on chat and I will receive the question. I will answer you directly, inshallah. Today we are talking about EduHackAI. Let me present quick presentation. We will talk about it. Okay. So EduHackAI is a new concept of educational hackathon. You will learn and you will compete. In 10 days, we promise all the participants to have the capability of building an application, even if you never had been developer before. But I cannot promise you can win the hackathon, because in the second side, we have experts of development who will be joining the hackathon to compete and to show amazing use case of what they are developing. So in EduHackAI, we have the two options of come to learn as an educational part or come to compete as a hackathon and challenge part. These 10 days will be full of excitement. This session is to welcome you to the hackathon, which will be starting next Saturday on 24th of May. We will be starting same time at 8 p.m. UAE time or 7 at Egypt time. This time we will be starting like 1 or 2 live sessions every day for the 10 days, which will be educational sessions and coaching sessions. So what is EduHackAI? EduHackAI is an educational, so the target is to learn, and hackathon, learn with challenge about AI. Our target is to enable all the challenge members to be able to build an AI application with low code tool if they don't have experiment, or high code if they have ASP.NET or C#, as we are focusing on the ecosystem of Microsoft. So in 10 days, we promise you to do something unique. Here we can find who can join. Our core target, we are focusing on the students who fresh grads, passionate about technology, people in mid-career who want to make career change, which happening too much right now. A lot of people making career change from business or sales, like me. I was salesperson for like 15 years. Last 3 years, I start hand-on practicing in development. And now I will show you my development capability of building EduHack AI application in less than 4 days. I will show you what I reach, and I still working on it till 24th. It will be ready, inshallah. So it is, I'm building this application to be a use case. Even I'm recording all actions of what I'm doing to help people to use the same story. Okay, so whoever have the background of technical development or experience, he can join. Whoever don't have it and willing to start building application and learning how to build an application from scratch, he can join. Or AI engineers who have the AI capabilities and understanding of the large language models, API connectors, all of this we will go through it within the 10 days of the hackathon. It will be very strong, intense learning time, and you will have access to all the learning resources and meeting records, everything. You will have the access for 1 year. So even if you didn't get 100% of the knowledge which will be transferred in these 10 days, you can extend your study period for a 1 year, so you get out of it expert application developer. So here, the tools which we will be using, as I mentioned, it is mainly Microsoft tools. So we will, every hackathon member, every challenge member in the hackathon, he will be having Microsoft 365 account under our tenant Sahaba Club, which will give him full access to Microsoft 365 tools. In addition to this, the Microsoft Power Platform tools, which is used for the low-code development. So you will have full access to all the tools you need to use starting from scratch. Also, you will have an access to Azure AI services. However, if you want to use any AI services, you need to pay by your credit card, but you will have access to the AI services. And for sure, the SharePoint database, it will be the main database we will be using in the low-code part. So all the tools will be provided to all hackathon members. They will be able to use these tools for the whole year to practice and learn. Here we are talking about the journey of 10 days. Many people have an assumption that how I can make a 10 days, I don't know how to build the application. The beauty of what we build in this hackathon, that we set a 10 days plan, exact 10 days plan, which will help you to submit every day specific actions. Based on this submission, you will accomplish your project. Okay, we will go to the application right now and we will see the 10-day submissions. Let's see it right now. Let me share with you my screen and show you how will be EduHack AI application look like. I see a good number of attendees. Guys, if you are interacting with me, please leave a comment or something. I need to see more engagement. If you have a question, if you want to say hello, if you want to say hi, this will be my pleasure. Okay, let me open the application and show you how the submission will be happening. Okay, I'm sharing the screen right now. I hope everyone can see my Power Apps screen. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I have a lot of friends are texting right now on LinkedIn. Thank you guys for joining. Let me show you the application. Here we are coming in the back end. This application, you can run it from your mobile phone. You will not be running it from uh, yeah, it can be on web or mobile phone. So here we are in the run of the application. This box is the secret box. I will show you what it's doing. Now we have 5 days remaining, 23 hours till May 24th, which is the start date of the application. If we go to the tasks, here, let me explain to you more. Here we have four bottoms, okay, and we have our we have four coaches, and fifth is joining right now, but we are updating the details of the coaches. We will get to this point and I will explain more what is the coaches engagement and how they will help us. So here in the home screen, we have the timer which remaining till the launch of the application. We can create a team or join a team here, or we can see tasks. Let's start with tasks and show you why this box is here. When we go to tasks, today is 19. We didn't start the hackathon yet. So it's not showing any kind of tasks right now. If we go and we cannot submit, all of this is my development in 4 days, and I'm not a pro developer. I'm just starting. This is the motive which I want to give it to you to do my use case. We can do this together. So let's go back here. This bottom will play around with the time zone. Yani we will put number 6 here. We will be jumping in day 1. Right now our date is not 19. It's 19 plus 6. So if we go here, we will see 19 plus 6 is day 2. Okay, so if we go here, we will see this is the day 2 and these are submission actions. As I told you, every day have its own submission. Let's see from day 1. We will put 5 days more. So here we are in day 1. Day 1, kickoff ideation and team foundation. So what you need to do to attend the live kickoff session, see, once you click the first one, you can submit. Once you done this, you choose your problem statement. It's 10 points. This problem statement will be in a document. You can attach a document here, whatever document you want to attach, PDF or Word, you will attach the document and you will click that you are done, and you'll be joining a team or create your own team, which we will see in another section in the application. Once you're done with everything, you will submit, and this is the daily submission. This day 1, let's see if we push it to 6 days more. We'll see here it's automatic day 2 with the submission actions of day 2 with the app idea and user flow. It's a document or GitHub link if you're a pro developer, so you can attach or put a document. Choose development path. You will mention here that you choose the Power Platform or ASP.NET. You are done with this. Sketch up your application. If you have a wireframe and you want to add it, you can add it as an attachment here and attend the live session. Once you are done with this, you check mark it and submit. This timer is the time before ending of the time. يعني the daily submission tasks. Okay, I have a comment. That's something going wrong. Okay. Okay, I got it. Thank you for commenting. It's my mistake. Let's change the share screen. Here we are. Please confirm you can see right now. You can see the application screen. We are landing on day 2. Is it okay? Okay, perfect. So now, sorry, I missed long part that I was explaining. This is the home screen again, and we have four tabs. We have the tab for the teams, we have the tab for the tasks, we have the ranking, and we have the questionnaires. We will get back to all of these. We have our coaches, which are three, and we have one more confirmed, and we will add, inshallah, one more. So it will be 4 to 5 coaches. I was talking about this tricky box. This tricky box, I make it part of the development just to change the date because right now we have 5 days remaining till hackathon start. So if we go to tasks, we will not see any task available. We will see day one, but there's no tasks because we didn't reach day one yet. If we change a little bit here and put number 5, we will be in day one. So we will come here and we will see that we started day one and we have 23 hours remaining to finalize all of these tasks. These tasks can be check mark as you just confirm that you attend, or you have a problem statement you need to attach a file. So you go for attach and attach whatever file you want, or put your GitHub link. Okay, this submission is changing every day. So if we can go back here and this magic button, it will not be in the live application for sure, but it's just for the development right now. And we go to tasks, we will see the tasks of day 2, which had been changed automatic with different tasks, with different submission attachment and everything. You see one of the development, it's business logic. Yani it's more than it's a developer skills, it's business logic. You have the logic, you can apply it in any platform. So now we cannot submit because we didn't select anything. But if you done one task, you can submit this task. Once you click submit, the submission will goes under your team with submission date, with all details, with points calculation. Based on these points, we will have ranking. Some teams will submit 3 out of 4 in one day. يعني if we go مثلا, if we put 10 days later, okay, we'll be, I think, in day 6. Yeah, in day 6, we have 2 tasks. Maybe you finish one task and submit, and second one you didn't. Actually, there's no pure verification of submission if it's correct or not, but submission had been happened. We will review this submission with the coaches and the judge team. Based on this, we will give the points and this one section of the evaluation. So the points is one section because you are on time submission, which is 30% of the evaluation, and 70% on your final submission application and performance and everything related to AI, how your dependency on AI and Microsoft technologies. So here I was showing you, this is the submission page. Let's go to another page, which is Teams page. Once you join the hackathon in the first day, you see you are not currently on team because you didn't create team or join a team. Okay. If you want to create your own team, you can create a team. You will select a team name. Some development mistake here, we will correct it. We will find the registration date. It's by default the date of today, and a team type. You can choose to create a public team which anyone can join it, or a private team which it's solo team. You are the only one who run the team. So you can choose, and you can مثلا XYZ, and we click submit. This submission will create a team and you can see it and join a team. This one is not active yet, but it's under development, so it will be there for the people who like to work in a team, not solo. So one of them will create a team and other team will be joining this team. All of that will be happening in the first day at the introductory part, and we will know each other, and we will decide if we want to work as a solo or team. Team up to 3 is all optional. So here our teams, here our home screen back, this our magic bottom, ranking and questionnaires not available yet. It will be available by the hackathon, but here the complication of creating teams and joining teams, complication of counting, making this one dynamic, all of this I make it myself while I'm not a developer. I'm just a business logic person. Okay. So I hope you enjoy the quick demo of the EduHack AI application. And if anyone have a questions, let me take a look to the questions. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm receiving a lot of highs. Thank you, everyone, for joining. It is really interesting that. Okay, I can only see the bar up home. Okay, it was at the time of wrong sharing. Okay, thank you everyone for leaving these comments. Okay, okay. So we don't have questions. We have only greeting messages. Thank you everyone. So let's continue the quick presentation. So we talk about the journey, how it works, how the engagement will be happening. All of this will be available in the hackathon journey. One of the most important thing is the coaching. We have 3 different tracks with expert coach in every track, coach or 2 in every track. We have the track of full code development, which is ASP.NET or C Sharp. And we have Coach Hashim. He's our coach in this area. And I didn't add his details yet on the website and the application, but it will be available by tomorrow, inshallah. And we have the second track, which is the AI services. And we are so lucky to have 2 experts coaches in this area, باشمهندس محمود عطلة and باشمهندس Ansari. Both of them will be supporting and will be coaching everyone related to Azure AI services. And lastly is the Power Platform, and I will be my pleasure to be the coach of Power Apps and Power Automate and building applications from scratch. Even experts who need guidance and quick wins to build the competitive app in 10 days, I can support. And we have scheduled and structured system of the 10 days will help you to learn, but you need to invest time and you give good focus. Okay. So we are talking about hackathon and competition and challenge, which cannot happen without prizes. What is the prizes of the hackathon? Currently, the current prizes is we are talking about Azure credit, which will help anyone to develop more and learn more. And we have coaching sessions, one-to-one coaching, which will help you to reach your target and set your roadmap. Coaching sessions is the most valuable educational resources which anyone need in his career path. And third part is the global spotlight using our recognition tags from Sahaba Club and certificate of winning, inshallah, in the hackathon. Last part is how to register. How to register in the hackathon, we have our website, which mentioned downstairs, hackathon.sahabaclub.com, and I will write it down in the comments. This is the link of the website. You can check all details there and you will find the registration. Unfortunately, the registration price right now is back to the original price, which is $50. And here we have the surprise that I'm extending the 50% discount for everyone attending today live session. So I will share with you the link of 50% discounted payment, which will be $25. If you'd like to get this opportunity, it is limited time because we had a limited seat for this discount, and actually we covered these seats. Based on this, we stopped that discount, but we extended because we need more passionate people about technology. Here is a link. I will share it on the comments also. This link is available now. Maybe in 1-2 days it will not be available because it have a limit number of seats for discounted price, 50% discount. If you'd like to register and take the opportunity, go and make the payment with your information, your email and your mobile phone, and you receive WhatsApp and email communication with your new account under Sahaba Club, and the hackathon journey start with you. Only hackathon members will be having access to the mobile application, to the learning resources, to the team's collaboration. So we are looking for more team members to be able to engage them into more success stories. Okay. Do I have any questions? Receiving messages. Let me check LinkedIn comments. I think all comments are there, but let me check from the event page better. Okay. Thank you everyone for the amazing comments. Okay. There's a lot of comments about I don't have any questions. Anyone had sent any question? We are in the live Q&A session right now. So okay, you're looking for the link. Let me share the link of the 50% discount direct on the LinkedIn. Okay, I shared the link on the event on LinkedIn, and you can see here in my comments. By the way, the idea of the hackathon came to me, and why to I make this hackathon. Mainly, it was because of my success story of building an AI application in 8 days, with another challenge was happening here in Dubai. This opportunity showed me that the capability of logic thinking or passionate people about technology to build something unique and fast with the current available resources. Technology are changing very fast. AI and ChatGPT can help us do everything we don't know. What I show you in the mobile app of EduHackAI, 90% of the back-end development, I don't know how to do it. But I only do it because I have the logic and I have the tools, which the AI services like ChatGPT, like Gemini, all the AI services which can help you, which you will be using it in your application. So my first experiment of solo hackathon, because I make a team hackathon before, it was this one which was happening in in January this year, and I won the first position by my application Wonder Tales. It was an application for bedtime storytelling for kids. I can show you the application. We still have time of the session, so let's see the application in quick. This app had been built in 8 days without any previous experience of building app from scratch, but I was lucky to have assistant from very close friends who helped me a lot, and we built this app. Okay, you can see the screen right now. Here's the app. By the way, all of these apps have been built using Power Apps, which part of Microsoft. Um, but the designs and look and feel which you are seeing in the app, all of these designs have been created by me. Yani I'm creating custom designs because I don't use the standard Power Apps icons and control units. I recommend always to use my own stuff, and I know how to make it. So this is a beauty touch you can put on any application easily with low code. Here is Wonder Tales. First, because all kids like specific superhero, so you choose your superhero, even Spider-Man or Woody or Batman. Let's go with Batman. And we choose a level of creativity for the story. Let's put it high and say playing football with Mo Salah in Egypt. Okay. Here we click on the magic button, which go and generate the story using the APIs of ChatGPT. We will see ChatGPT in different things. It's not ChatGPT, it's OpenAI. OpenAI have a different capabilities. All of this information we will be knowing in the hackathon. They can give you text, they can give you image, they can give you voiceover or AI voice. So we used 3 tools here in the application which create the text. Here is the story, Batman and the Egyptian football adventure. And now we will have the image. You can see this bottom is for voiceover. It was dim. Just once the image had been done, the voiceover can be generated because it's taking some time to generate with AI. We have this image. Wow. Okay. Pyramids, Sphinx, football match. Okay, someone look like Batman. And we have here the story. It is long story. It is story 5 to 8 minutes as per the bedtime story for kids. I generated this application. All the idea was for my kid because he's 3 years old, and I feel struggle when he asked me to tell him story, the bedtime story. So we make sure that we use the large language model to give us proper story tuned for kids of this age, and no harassment, no sexuality, nothing hurting for kids. So we tuned the prompt of communication with ChatGPT
Batman
with long
and the Egyptian
action.
football adventure.
Here we can listen.
Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Cairo, Egypt, the sun shone brightly over the Great Pyramids. Our hero, Batman, found himself on a unique mission. But this time,
So we can listen to the whole story like this. And also, what make the excitement of the challenge of the 8 days, that I build the AI service, but I don't want to just make proof of concept of AI service. I wanted to add more. I wanted to make it interesting application. So I added another icon which for saving, to save this story. Here is the story title, and here is the hero, and here is who created. I can save the story public or private. I can keep it public so anyone can see it. Another application users, and I can save. Now the story had been saved into public. I can go to the library. I will see my stories, which is the first story of my stories. But if I go see this my story and this my story and this my story, but when I go to public, I will not see all of them. I will see this one. Moana story is not there because it's not public, it's private. Here, anyone can see different people creating stories, not only me. Yani, let's go for another story. As an example, this story had been created by Aya. Okay, I can go and listen to the story. I can see the image. We are just reducing the pixels. Okay, I can listen to it.
Mulan and the Magic School. Once upon a time in the heart.
I can give it like. See, to change the number, I can give a comment. Save. It will add a number. I can go to the library and I can see this story have 3 likes. We can give feedback of the application. If you like the app, you can give a feedback. You can see info about the application, which I created the app and the details, and you can go exit the application. This application had been created in 8 days from non-development skills. One of the success stories which you can do yourself. So the beauty of the hackathon, you will have an access to all of these tools. You will have an access to Wonder Tales. You will have access to EduHackAI. You will have access to this application, how it built, and you can build your own with different apps we already built in Sahaba Club. So I hope everything is clear for everyone. If there is any question, please ask on the comments. Thank you very much for the motivating messages which I'm receiving. Yani it's really, that's what make me able to continue. Okay, if we have no more questions, let me check the Facebook in quick, because unfortunately this streaming application, it's not bringing Facebook comments. And even if anyone have a question in Arabic, they can write it down. The hackathon will be all English. It will not be Arabic because we have a diversity of attendees. And as I mentioned, this payment link is valid for limited time. So if you are interested, please join. Okay, we have a question here. Thank you, Sidra, for your question. If I missed 1 day submission, what will I do then? If you missed 1 day submission, you will miss the points. So you will find your submission day is the next day. Yani, I missed day number 4 and I open the application day number 5. I will have the submission of day number 5. So you will submit day 5, but day 4 you missed the points. Here we need the attention of everyone to make sure that he's submitting on time and he's focusing every day on the 10 days to develop the application on the right matter. Thank you for your questions, Sidra. It was really nice one. Okay, let's take a look on Facebook. Thank you very much, Sidra. Okay. We have 7 comments. Any questions or just greetings? Okay, it is all greetings. There's no much questions. Okay, so we have like we can go for more 10 minutes. Let me show you one of the very interesting videos of the hackathon. The beauty of AI and doing this stuff, it make me and make my team learn a lot of things of how to develop an application and how to develop
Are
videos
you ready
and
to build the
images.
future with
Everything.
EduHackAI is your 10-day challenge to create real AI
I think here we go again.
powered apps using Microsoft technologies, no matter your level. You'll get expert coaching, tools like Microsoft 365, and access to our vibrant tech community. Need help? You can chat with our website bot, powered by OpenAI, or reach us on WhatsApp via a totally different system. 2 bots, 2 technologies, 1 seamless experience. Join EduHackAI today and bring your ideas to life. Are you ready to build the future with AI? EduHackAI is your 10-day challenge to create real AI-powered apps using Microsoft technologies, no matter your level. You'll get expert coaching, tools like Microsoft 365, and access to our vibrant tech community. Need help? You can chat with our website bot, powered by OpenAI, or reach us on WhatsApp via a totally different system. 2 bots, 2 technologies, 1 seamless experience. Join EduHackAI today and bring your ideas to life.
Honestly, all of these tools and videos and the images and all the marketing material, 90% is happening by AI. This is the beauty of AI, and that's how you can extend your capability and do magic. This the section of using AI. What about building AI? What about building an application which have an AI capability can fit with some business use case? That's what we are looking to enable people to do, because we are sure that people who have the mindset of creating ideas, if they have the capability of building it, they will make a magic. That's what we are looking for. And we still extending the 50% discount promotion on only for the event attendees. I will share the link again. Let me share it here. Here is the link of the payment for 50% discount. Currently, if you go to EduHack website, you will find it 100% price. So take the opportunity, because it will not sustain long. It's very limited seats which remaining with the discount only for the live session tonight. Thank you everyone for attending tonight. I hope it was light and quick session. We are preparing a lot of knowledge, and a lot of engagements will be happening in the coming 10 days. If you have any questions, please leave on comments, and I will be able, and I will make sure to answer you as quick as I can. Thank you very much, and I hope you're enjoying technology with us in Sahaba Club. Thank you very much, Miss Mona. Thank you very much, Jannat. Thank you everyone for attending. It was really a nice engaging session, quick engaging session, and looking for more engagement will be happening in the hackathon. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.